This week I'm testing the Toyota Yaris Cross Hybrid. It's a small 5-seater SUV and it's the only hybrid in its class. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. Don't forget to subscribe and like and follow us on our socials. In the back of the Yaris Cross there are Isofix in the 2 outer seats and top tether anchorages on the back of all 3 seat backs, and they're really easily accessible through the boot. Now I can only fit 2 child seats in the back here. It is a small SUV. They do fit nicely with a bit of gap between them. Now legroom is really tight in here, unfortunately. So we found with a rear facing child seat on the passenger side, we could just get a 180 centimetre passenger in front, and with a 180 centimetre driver we could just get a forward facing child seat on that side and then have enough legroom. In the back there's a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. There's a single map pocket that will hold and conceal an iPad, and the door bins are a good size. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle, and there's the storage handle wells too. In the front of the Yaris Cross there are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. Behind them is a tiny little storage well instead of a central console box. In front of the gear lever is a phone charging well. The glove box isn't a bad size. That will hold my iPad and wallet with the manuals. There's also a little shelf below the media screen that I found useful for my sunglasses. The door bins are a good size. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle, and there's the little storage wells in the handles too. The boot of the Yaris Cross opens manually and quietly. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. Empty will hold 9 shopping bags, or a twin stroller and no shopping bags, a tandem stroller and 1 shopping bag, a single stroller and 2 shopping bags, a compact stroller and 6 shopping bags, or a medium-sized dog. The Toyota Yaris Hybrid is quite a nice car to drive. It's small, which makes it really nice and easy to park and drive around town. It's a good car for around town, but out on the motorway the road noise is loud. Now it starts lovely and silently because it's a hybrid, which I love. Also you can sit while your bub's asleep in the back and just use the battery rather than the churn fuel, which is also really good. Now while you're driving it does get a bit revvy and loud, and when the engine kicks in from the battery there is a really revvy loud noise, and it's especially loud when you're going uphill. What I do like being a hybrid is you can see when you are using the battery and when you're using the engine on the media screen and the screen in front of the steering wheel. Also the lane departure warning is very loud, as you just heard. The media system in the Yaris Cross is very basic and easy to use. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto too. When I put it into reverse, that camera image is very blurry. Now you've got a button down by your right knee so you can turn that camera on in different views at any point. So to sum up with the Toyota Yaris Cross, it is great that it's a hybrid and you do save a bit on fuel. Legroom is tight in the back though, especially if you've got tall passengers in the front. That boot space is excellent for a small SUV.